I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing to one compelling topic and sketching 3 discrete points. This gives the thread momentum. Once done, craft a punchy hook sentence that promises value, then immediately post the first 2-3 follow-ups that deliver on that promise. Make sure to attach visuals every few posts to increase attention. Images and short clips perform better. Post from a consistent account tone, and schedule the remaining posts in short bursts, so the thread reads like a coherent narrative. You now expand each point into a single clear post, using concise sentences so readers skim easily. Then connect posts with transitions, phrases like next, because, or so the sequence feels logical. Make sure to intersperse facts or short examples every few posts to maintain credibility and pace. Once the core is posted, reply to the top thread tweet with an index or TL, DR, and pin it. This orients new readers and invites sharing, which multiplies reach. You conclude by summarizing the value and giving a single, explicit CTA. Ask readers to reply, retweet, or save, so engagement funnels into activity. Then pin the original thread, schedule reposts at 24 to 72 hours, and cross-post snippets to 2 other platforms to capture different audiences. If engagement stays low, try one troubleshooting move. Post a direct question to spark replies. Repost the strongest tweet during peak hours, or boost a top-performing post to restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.